Alright guys, where are we going? I always say that it's like I know damn well.
Savers.
Okay, so we're
going to Dublin, Ireland.
We're going to Dublin, Ireland. No, I'm kidding. We're going to Dublin, California, which is like an hour away from us, to go to Savers, to go thrifting. Wow, this place is huge. That is so cute for Disneyland. I wonder if that would fit me.
Try it on.
It looks a little small, but hopefully I'll be losing some elbs.
But even if you just wore it open too, with a
yeah, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna grab that because I might get that one. Thank you, Mare. Mary always finds me the good stuff.
Disney is a good find.
Are you dead inside?
Always.
We're just browsing. I mean, I'm always down for lunch. Are you kidding me?
Anyone want sushi?
I will have anything.
I'm good with anything. I just really haven't eaten today yet.
Well,
Are you totally feeling lightheaded?
I totally am, you know.
Poor girl. I'm gonna go continue looking. This store is so big, you guys. It's unreal. Oh wow. This is her outfit of the day here. So cute. You a cutie patoots.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna continue looking, and yeah. Alright, so I have found two things. Honestly, I'm surprised I even found two. Mary found one of the things for me. Oh, that's actually cute.
Would you
It's hella cropped though, and now that I don't have a belly button piercing.
Yeah, but
Dr.
don't you
Ian,
think your jeans would come up fine enough?
That's actually really cute. You won't wear that?
No. This looks like
Mary,
something
you would so wear that.
This looks like something Nicole would wear.
Let me see.
I
feel like you would wear that.
See you.
Yeah, I feel like I would see Mary in this first.
With her little high-waisted and her some dot.
That would be so cute on you.
Well, I'll turn it on, and if I don't like it,
I'll
will
pay,
you take
yeah.
it? Okay.
So we're just now leaving Savers. I got 3 tops for 10 bucks. That's a deal. Every clothing item was 50% off, so that's why it was so crazy. She spent 20 bones and got some good stuff. Like I said, I'll do a little haul once we get home. Oh wow. Right now, we're gonna go get lunch. Okay, what is up you guys? It is actually like 3 or 4 days later, and I wanted to show you guys the things that I got from Savers. I honestly forget what I even said at the beginning of this video, but I had never in my life been to a Savers before. I always saw people on YouTube doing thrifting hauls at Savers, and I was always so jealous. So there is one, excuse me, there is one like about an hour away. It's like 54 minutes to be exact. So we went to that one. My sister had been there numerous times before, and this was my first time. I could not believe it when I walked in the door how big this place was. I looked through almost every rack and I found a few good things, so I wanted to show you guys what I got, because I think the year 2020 is going to be the year when I do a little less clothes shopping in actual retail stores and online, and more shopping in thrift stores, because it's better for my wallet, and it is also, you know, better for the environment to just reuse, recycle. You catch my drift. So the first top is actually this one that I'm wearing here. Excuse all of that. That's all stuff that I need to put on Poshmark. So if you guys are interested in anything from Poshmark, you guys can shop my closet. I have clothes, makeup, hair stuff. All of the makeup and hair stuff is brand new. Clothes, a lot of it's brand new actually with tags, and some of it is used or like worn once. So this is the first top that I got. It's a super cute button up. It is a tiger stripe button up, and I thought it would be super cute with like the front part tucked in with maybe a cute little like belt or something. It's actually just cute out like this. It does have a collar, and when I got this one it smelled dead ass like old grandma. So I know there was an old granny out there rocking this shirt, but I just thought it was so cute. The regular price was $9.50, but the day we went to Savers, every clothing piece was 50% off. So that was exciting. So it was only like $4 something. Cannot beat it. I actually got all 3 tops that I got for $10. Like, you cannot beat that. Where can you go and get 3 tops for $10? Nowhere. So this is the first one. I just absolutely freaking love it. Super cute, fits perfectly. And this is another topic that I wanted to talk about. The thing about thrift stores is I'm usually an extra large in the tops and a size 16 on bottoms. But there's things from the thrift store from so many different brands, from so many different time periods, that you cannot just look in the extra large section, or the section, you know, whatever size you are. You can't just look in that section, and that's something I've learned. My sister and I were talking about that. This top, I believe, was a 3X. 3X! Come on! Like, it's just not. I think the other tops I got, one of them was like a large, this is a 3X, and they were just all completely different sizes, so you almost have to try the stuff on, or I'm lazy half the time. I can just kind of tell if it's going to fit or not, and even if it's close, if it's cheap enough, I just buy it, and I figure somebody in my family can wear it, or I can throw it up on Poshmark. So, yeah, this was my first top. I love it. Super, super cute. Okay, the next item that I got is this turtleneck. My sister actually found this one for me. It's just this like light pink color. I think it's so cute. I absolutely love turtlenecks. My sister lately has been rocking turtlenecks under like band tees and like old Harley Davidson t-shirts and whatnot. I don't know if I would necessarily do that for myself, but it looks really cute on her. This is, yeah, just a basic turtleneck. It was originally $4.99, but I got it for $2.50. You absolutely cannot beat that. Like, I just think this is so stinking cute. I love a good turtleneck. And usually I don't like things like, that are so constricting around my neck, but this one is like actually, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of like flowy a little bit right there. Or like bigger, not flowy. What am I talking about? So yeah, this was $2.50, pink turtleneck. And it's not like an annoying hot pink, it's like a nice like powdery pink. And I just love it. Okay, last but not least, I got this black and white striped little like button up. And I actually got this thinking that I was just gonna wear like a black tank underneath and leave this completely unbuttoned, which I probably still will because it doesn't feel too tight, but it just looks like the buttons are pulling when I button that one. So I feel like I would definitely wear like a little cami or a little like lace something maybe underneath and just throw this over as like a little lightweight like jacket. But it is just like t-shirt material. It's very soft. I think it's super cute. And this one was $6.49, half off. So like I said, all 3 tops I got for about $10, a little over. And I just, wow, y'all, thrifting is where it's at. I just freaking love it. I'm about to get a whole new wardrobe for next to nothing. Okay, you guys, so that was everything in this thrifting haul. I know it was super small, literally 3 things, but I did want to get on here and show you. I do plan on doing this regularly, maybe where I spend a weekend going to a few different thrift stores, so I have a bigger haul to like try on and show you guys. So definitely get used to this being a regular thing. Like I said, I want to be a little bit more eco-friendly when it comes to clothing and not be so wasteful. Like, there's nothing I hate more than spending full price and spending so much money on clothes and then it just sits in my closet with the tags and then I throw it up on Poshmark for like 1/4 of the price. Like, that is just such a waste of money. So I do want to make this, you know, just like a regular part of my life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I know some people might not like thrift store type of videos because you may see something I get that's super cute and you want, and then obviously you most likely won't be able to get it because I got it from a thrift store. But I watch thrift store videos for inspiration, like, oh, she paired a turtleneck and then she found this really cute skirt and she did this and she did that. So it kind of like inspires me to go out and put like my own little twist and spin on it. It's actually really fun to kind of go and piece cute things together. So like I said, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.